We're late. Guys, we're late. Oh my God. Hello, ocean! Ayan mga kapuso. Dito na tayo.
Boracay, Why? The beaches.
Yeah! There's somewhere. I know. Next time.
Kahit nabalik ay sa Amerika, wala namang inasal eh.
Parang si Papa Lo, pagdating, ang nahanap niya, Pilsen. First night niya, walang Pilsen, so Red Horse.
Oh, wow.
Second night niya, dun sa restaurant, yung original yung Pilsen
So,
na matangkad.
we just got done swimming sa beach. Di ko na dinala yung camera, guys. Natakot ako baka mabasa. But like, look at this beautiful. Actually, it was more prettier kanina. But look at that sunset. Ganda-ganda ni ate, oh.
Siyempre, mana sa'yo.
Grabe. Di, ako yung mana sa'yo. Ito naman, maganda rin. Asa na si ate?
Kanina yan.
Oh!
Diba? Parang shadow.
Ayan ha.
Love na love mo talaga si Kim. No?
Okay, we're gonna walk around, guys.
Diba? At pag tumangga, me and Mark, Coco, and Mangga.
Gonna eat here. Kumama! Ito daw yung masarap na coconut ice cream.
Mark, padagdagan mo ah. Pang sa order ng dalawa. Sabi mo ikaw kunyari, ito try mo kung paano gawin.
Wow! Damn!
Oh, may 2.5.
Damn! That is gorgeous.
Sige na ko. Eh, picture na muna natin. Hey, Mom, don't eat it first.
That's gone.
Good.
That is good. Masarap.
Si Manggusti.
Manggusti siya.
Dali.
Hindi talaga Philippine mango.
Mangoes here are the best.
Mango and bagoong.
Mango and bagoong! Yeah!
Actually, sa Project 6 ngayon, tinigang daming rice.
Yeah.
Galing-galing ng Tarlac.
Nagulat ako. Ano kasi? Si Danda? Okay, let's go. Dapat ulit.
Mamalingki tayo sa Friday.
Kano kaya dito? Mas mura kaya dyan? Oo.
Habayanas bang hinahanap?
Di baka mas mura dito?
Perfect!
Pala nasasabi. We're walking to D-Mall kasi we're gonna eat Mang Inasal. And pasyal-pasyal doon.
Yeah. yun? Japanese ko.
Wow. Tayo lang pinakad natin. And there's so many people. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's a lot of people. Oh man. Okay, we gotta think of plan B. Kasi ang daming tao, guys. Oo nga eh. Medyo madami na ang tao dito. Because of Mark, we have to get out of here. Grabe, guys. Like, yeah. Okay. Let's go.
Endure na lang, endure.
All of the people are want to massage me.
All of the people want to
Massage Mark.
Okay.
You just leave it on your face for like 10 seconds.
It's so cold.
I know normally dapat hot water hot.
Experience naman.
Ating invite ko sa live.
Guys, it's on the house. Okay guys, busog na kami. Kaya maglalakad-lakad na ulit kami para mag-burn ulit, then magutom ulit.
Then kakain ulit. Then baka kain ulit. Oo.
Ang dami mga straw hat. Oh, yung cute. It's Minchin. Wow. Ha?
Ganda nila.
Ba? Meron ba? Ano? No.
500.
Ganda yan. What do you guys think? It's so much cheaper. This is only 500. Yung kanina's 1,200. Hi guys! What are you doing? Ang cute ng mga bag, mama. So, parang mamahal.
Slim Shady?
Saan ka na walang gupit? Ang haba na. Tapos tattoo, mami.
We saw this Hello Mango. Nakita namin yung isang grupo kumakain ito. Ang sarap tingnan. Grabe.
Ayoko na.
Yan, Ate Michelle is already looking at it.
Wala?
So good. So refreshing.
Sugar, sugar, sugar.
Yes! Sugar is good for you.
Sugar, sugar, sugar. Try door, try door, try door. Ayan, okay na yan, be. Okay na yan. Kahit na. Sana all.
Kapatid.
Sana all.
Chi, ang sarap! Oh my God, ang sarap niyan.
Uy, try mo lang.
Oy!
Saan tayo? Bye. Bye.
Oh, parang private. Ano? Ay, parang microphone.
Depende.
Hindi siya masakit. Depende sa
Masakit siya kung...
And we're home. Grabe guys, linakad namin yon. Went from Henan Prime here. We walked beach side. We walked sa beach front going to the mall. We walked that far. But it was such a good experience and ang saya, ang lambot talaga ng buhangin. Ang sarap. Ngayon ko lang na-experience yon. Actually, ngayon lang ako naka-experience ng ganong kalambot na buhangin. Nakakatuwa. But yeah, it is tiring. We could have just used the tricycle. Pero we chose to walk over there. Pero pauwi, syempre nag-tricycle na kami. So good news guys. Nakalimutan ko sabihin kanina. Good news. They found my luggage. So it turns out, yung luggage kong yon hindi naman nakarating dito sa Boracay. Hindi siya nakaalis ng Maynila. Nasa airport pa siya ng Manila. Hindi siya sumama sa amin. Ay naku, naiwan siya dun. Kaya tomorrow, nag-apologize naman sila sa amin. So they're gonna send it tomorrow, first thing in the morning. And yeah, that's all I wanted to know. Like, when I found out about that kanina, I was so happy. Like, I could finally breathe. It's okay if I wasn't able to use my things in there for tonight. As long as I know it's safe and it'll be here in a while, I'm okay. I'm good na. Tomorrow is the actual big day. We're gonna go do a lot of activities. You know, the Boracay summer activities. So we decided to rest early because we needed a lot of energy for that. Pero babalik yung mga bros ko dito, si Chloe and Eli. We're just gonna chill here in the room. But I'm gonna ligo-ligo muna. Okay, guys. So, we're just doing... Nakaligo na kaming lahat. And, since sarado yung pool, tumambay na lang kami near the pool. Here in the balcony. It's really, really quiet. Nakakatakot mag-ingay. Kasi, parang mag-e-echo no? Yung design ng hotel na to. But it's really pretty. Gustong-gusto ko yung pool dito. But anyway... Tulog na si Mark, tulog na si Hera. Itong isa nagla-live. Ito, nagpo-potato chips. And Mama Son is muni-muni. Mark brought us some chips here. This is our takeout from kanina. Which, hala, okay lang, okay lang i-vlog yan. Wala yan. Di ba bawal? Talin yung pagkain. Tinako namin, guys. Tamang discard nila.
Ano yun?
Nothing. Ito kasi bawal iakyat.
Okay. Pero yung chips sa kanila, di ba yan?
No, yan. Good night, guys. Tomorrow is the big day. Pray for us.
Hello. Si Jalagan.
Doon saan tayo dumaan? Meron pa. Bibili ka lang.
We're having breakfast, guys. Later.
Yes, let's go. Wow, look at this view.
Sige po.
Sige po, nag-happy kumain.
Hey guys, so I'm back in bed with Ichi. Wait, where is he? We were supposed to get ready for the water activities. Pero, si Mark kasi biglang pinulikat at sumakit yung katawan niya. Alam niyo naman, if you guys really watch our past vlogs, you'll know that Mark has back pains and may tama na yung likod nito eh. You saw earlier in the vlog, we walked the entire time throughout the mall up to Henan Prime. Linakad namin yun sa beach. So parang doon umana yung legs ni Mark. Sumakit. Di na kami muna sumama sa mga pinsan ko nag-water activities kasi it was supposed to be 11 a.m. na magaganon. Pero, hindi na muna kami sumama. I'm gonna let him sleep muna and rest his body. And then ako, actually, I actually just wanna relax muna. This is so relaxing. I mean, I miss Corky. so much. But I haven't had sleep or rest like this, quiet time, yung ganito, in a while. Dapat sasama ako, si Mark may iwan, magpapahinga. Pero syempre, ko naman kaya iwan to. Kawawa naman. Wala siyang kasama dito. Kaya di rin ako mag-i-enjoy pag hindi kasama ang aking asawa. Ganyan talaga, guys. We're awake now. Si Mark magpapamassage na kasi masakit pa rin ang likod niya. Very grumpy pa siya. Ako rin nakapag-nap na and then dumating na yung aking maleta and I'm very, very, very disappointed. Tingnan, guys, sino naman nangyari? Look what they did. It's missing a wheel. And look, grabe oh. Ay, nako. And they said it would arrive morning and it arrived hapon na with the missing wheel. Very disappointed si Bupak. Kinalimutan niya na nga yung maleta ko na wala pa yung isang gulong. And it didn't even arrive on time. Like, look at that. Ano bang ginawa nila na matatanggal ng ganyan? Diyos ko naman. I think we can do better than that, si Bupak. Pero wala naman missing na gamit. I'm missing nothing. It's all here. But syempre, it's super late. Hindi siya nasama sa plane and it's missing a wheel. Okay, yun lang. It's not gonna ruin my trip. Nakamove on na ako sa aking trauma dyan sa luggage na yan. Grabe, that's the first time that it's ever happened to us and to me. And pinayagan ako ng aking asawa na mag-aliw-aliw, magmuni-muni dyan sa beach, and mag-swimming, and mag-cafe-cafe. Alam mo na, mag-me time, mag-alone time. He gave me money. So I'm gonna get ready. And finally, yung toiletries namin nandito na. And a few things for my makeup are here. And medicine for Mark's back is here. While I'm out, a massage therapist is gonna be here to massage Mark para naman mamaya makakapag-night out kami or siya, you know, bago kami umuwi bukas. Look guys, look how sensitive my skin is. Diba, I didn't have my skincare set the past 2 days. Yeah, my skin is going crazy. I have very sensitive skin. Maganda rin yung nangyari na hindi na ako sumama doon sa water activities kanina. Sobrang init. Hindi ko kaya, te. I'm actually really happy that I got to sleep. Since magpapamasay na si Mark and uminom na siya ng gamot, let me go out sa beach at mag-me time, and I'm actually so excited for it. Kasi actually yung allowance ko for this trip, ubos na. So humingi ako sa kanya, sa share niya, sa allowance niya for Boracay. So, cheap, pero naman na pang coffee. I've always wanted to do this. I've always wanted to have, like, to be alone in the beach, to try to have a flight by yourself, to travel by yourself. Never done that in my entire life, and I really want to. It's in my bucket list. I feel like a lot of self-growth and you finding yourself, I feel like a lot of that is beneficial and therapeutic, and you need to experience that in your life, paminsan-minsan. To handle your trip alone and to just have to make your own plans and all of that. It's such a good practice for life. I've always been with family members or asawa ko, family, whenever we travel abroad or travel domestically. So I feel like I'm gonna do that now. Somehow, somewhat, something like that. I'll get a little practice of what it's like. Ang challenge na lang dyan is sino magpipicture sa akin. And sa harap dito, sa beachfront, maganda yung mga yung mga kainan and cafes. If I were younger, I wouldn't want to do this. Like, I'd always want to have a companion to be with. But I don't know, I think when you get older, you'll find that independence or time alone is a luxury. Especially if you're a mom. My gosh. Plus another thing, when you have a kid na and hindi siya kasama sa mga ganito, parang may kulang talaga. Nalulungkot ako actually, wala si Corky. And I didn't imagine that I would miss him this much. Like, I thought that I would be able, Mark and I would be able to relax, at least have this time together. As much as you would really hope for that to happen, your instincts won't let you, and your heart is with Corky, is with your kids. So, yeah. And I'm gonna take you guys with me. Kasi nga, wala akong companion. So, kayo na lang kakausapin ko. We're not gonna do so much. Last is just this blush. We're gonna do a beach burn. Okay, then, we're just gonna use a gloss. We're done. Set it up. Okay. Love you. Sakto guys, nandito na yung masahista. Magpapamasahe ng asawa ko.
Bye.
Thank you for giving me money. And she's out!
Even when my teardrops start to dry.
Ay, tingnan nyo, oh. Oh my gosh,
When
ang
the sun
ganda.
begins to
Ay, kuya!
Taking all the advice there is, and none of it has helped. Experience has made me realize that I won't build my life on empty words. Being so damn naive, it only hurts. I'm so tired of love songs, life never turns out the way they do. I've been trying for so long, looking for someone who wants me to. I've heard every cliche there is, and none of them make sense. I'm so tired of love songs. I'm sick and tired of love songs. I'm so tired of you.
Hi guys, tapos na ang aking pictorial. It's a sunset na. It's so beautiful, grabe. And siya rin yung same photographer ko na sa Crystal Kayak. Dinagdagan ko na lang. I miss Mark, I miss Corky, I miss my family. But guys, this feels really, really good. I love this alone time.
내 미소에 난 취한 것 같아.
Nice to muni-muni here with the view. Kulang na lang yung coffee. I'm here at the cafe. We're walking. Not yet, it's sunset. Yeah, I'm gonna buy date. Hindi, di mo na lahat. Wow, we cannot go outside. You wait for me. Oh, say hi to the vlog.
Hi, vlog.
Okay na yung likod niya. At hinahanap na ako ng asawa. Ayoko na sobra-sobrahin yung freedom ko tonight. Ako uminit ang ulo. Sunod na lang ako sa orders niya. This is the best coffee ever. It's so good.
Sa Henan Regency. Ay, bo.
Takot kami, sumikip yung dibdib ko. Takot kami talaga. Siyempre, dala niya anak niya, di ba?
For the experience. Hey. You got worried?
Ayan, makapag-halo-halo na.
Can't turn the tide.
Ba, takot kasi siya sa yelo.
Ay, kasi naman.
So what happened to you a while ago?
Nawala kasi Sabado.
On the jet ski.
Wala akong...
Ate, siya rin yung nagtiksikan ko na lang
Tatakbo
yung
ang bata.
Sa kanya,
500.
Ay, nagtatampo. Or nagtatampo sa amin.
Nursery.
Don't let your fear decide.
Okay.
Kasi kagabi nag-ano kami dyan eh. Meeting di Avante kami dyan. Tahimik lang, di ba?
Guys,
She's in the middle of a situationship. There.
May mo pwede sa mo. I-edit out mo yun.
It's a lot.
Yeah.
Parang matanda lang.
Chloe has like, she's a walking red flag who's talking to another walking red flag.
Alam ko, walking zombie.
Yun, isa pa yun. Walking zombie. Like, red flag ka rin kasi, red flag siya, so walang mangyayari sa inyo.
Eh, di ba, guys?
Then,
Dapat gamitin ang intro. Aray ko pa.
ano yan? Anong sayaw yan?
Si Jorge gumaganyan natin.
Caramel ma'am. Ice or hot dog?
Ice.
Ice.
Yes, we option ice.
I-large na lang po natin ma'am.
Yes!
Excited. Pauwi na, di ba mga hyper pa?
Yan, ang tulis kasi ng baba.
Ice po ma'am. I-large na lang po.
Hindi nakuha yung Magmumumbag sila.
Bang si Naruto. Wow. It's big pala.